Earthquake. A young man named Bridge invites a tired traveler to his roadside tea shop in Garhwal and offers him tea to warm up. Bridge is 17 years old and runs the tea shop on his own. He started it 2 years ago after leaving a job in Panipat due to the difficult living conditions. 4 years ago, a massive earthquake struck the region, destroying over 600 villages in less than 5 minutes. Bridge's village, Molti, was completely wiped out. Bridge survived only because he was away in Pauri buying school books and stayed at his uncle's house the night of the earthquake. When Bridge returned, he found his home and his family mother, grandmother, brother Neelu, and baby sister Buli buried under the rubble. Only he survived. An army officer noticed Bridge's despair and, though exhausted, returned with soldiers to help search the debris of Bridge's home. After hours of digging in the dark, the soldiers found Buli alive, miraculously surviving 116 hours under the rubble without food and protection. He wanted to thank the officers for saving his sister, but he couldn't meet them again. Bridge began seeing the officer's face in every traveler. He stopped charging tired strangers for tea, finding joy in serving them.